Really excited about this hoist coming from NEWTRY. It's an electronic hoist crane. It's got an infrared detection. This is going to be really useful for me. I'm going to use it to get my rooftop tent up on top of the truck. And this thing will lift 1,100 pounds. You can operate it by hand just to release the cable, bring the cable back in. You're obviously not going to be holding by hand 1,100 pounds. That's why they give you this really nice and sturdy hook, solid metal hook on the back. So you're going to attach this to something, and then this is where all your cable comes out, and you can lower this down. So it comes with this. It does come with a nice solid metal mount. It does come with some anchors so you can securely mount it. It comes with this nice sturdy nylon strap here. It comes with this cable, so if you're going to use it in a fixed position, you can attach this nice long, super long cable to the unit, and then you can control up and down with that cable. And they also provide you with a Bluetooth alternative, which you can use to turn the unit on, off, and then move it up and down. So once you plug it in, you do notice the lights do come on. Right underneath your hands, you got your trigger buttons here. So red's gonna pull you out, and then green's gonna pull you in. You can use this as well. This will bring you in, and it'll bring you out. Oh, this one you do have to turn on. So push the button, and then the green light comes on the controller, and then it works. Then you're ready to go. All right, guys, check it out. Button. Make sure you secure it really well. I have this on 2 ropes, which is plenty strong enough for this guy. I got 1 rope as a backup. You got lots of cable. I'm looking at my spool up there, and I barely have dented it. So you got lots of cable. Come down as far as you need. Further than what I need, that's for sure. It'll get easier each time, that's for sure. Well, safety first always. I love it. Absolutely love it. One-man job. Let's lower it down. Oh, butter, money. This hoist crane is gonna make life a lot easier. I give this thing 2 thumbs up. If you want to pick up one of these hoist cranes, click on the link below. And you can secure one. Take you right to it. I love it. 2 thumbs up. I'd give it 3 if I could. Pick one up.